It's Tuesday. We are going camping on the weekend. How do I even start this? I don't know what to say. I bought a fucking dirt bike. I'm just about to do some maintenance, and well, when you're doing maintenance on a vehicle, you need a drink. I got some work to do. I got a bike because, well, actually, if this makes it in the vlog, we're taking the bike. Spoiler alert, it's probably in the thumbnail anyways. But regardless, bike, maintenance, fires up, it runs, allegedly it rips. So we're just gonna go from there. Holy shit, it fucking works. Holy fuck. Shut that shit. Shut that. Shut that shit. We did some smart. We got the big ass canopy over top of the tent. Double redundancy for the mosquitoes because they are bad this year. Anyways, it's beautiful. We got a great spot here. There's not a lot of open shit. I think this is mainly just like, oh, you pull over, you throw some wood on the fire, you have a bit. It's looking to be a beautiful day. I mean, if it rains a little bit, well, if it rains, we're gonna get wet. And again, I'm gonna be trying to drive this dirt bike. So that'd be interesting. First time. I'm eager to get on it, but I know we still have a lot more stuff to do before we can get to having some fun. And before we get too inebriated. Hopefully we're gonna get a fire started at some point and smoke out all these mosquitoes, because I think I see one actually on the camera, right? Yeah, they're kind of everywhere. But we'll be all good. It'll be fun.
Oh. In the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes in the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Like my cipher complete. I stay shining like the lights on the street in the night.
smell like cigarettes and weed. Shit, with what I'm spitting, they should give me a degree. Good liquor, what I'm sipping isn't cheap. Finna blow, don't snooze, don't sleep. All I really need is some shoes on my feet.
Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. In the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete.
I make them so mad, they got no swag. Pippins on my feet, they the throwbacks. Look, my money good, but these hoes bad, so they stay attached to my gonads. Waking up to a few L's. Open up my closet to that new shoe smell. I guess I'm doing well. Smoking all the weed that I used to sell, but once my album goes in the shelves, it's going next. Tell how it's finna sell. For now, we're selling tapes out my shoebox. Any spot, just set up my shop. You're mad that your girl always says that I'm hot. She buy my t-shirts, but she's spending your guap. Say what up if you see me around. Nike Air separate my feet from the ground. It's just
Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. In the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete.
I still remember how it used to be. Holding hands, running wild and free. Crossed our hearts, said we'd never let go. I still think about our younger days, how we dreamed about a better life. Holding you so close to me, in the backseat of your ride. We fell apart, thought we lost everything, just lost in our memory. And I sure hope you do remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. Like I remember you.
Alright, I just finished my first solo ride. Oh, son, you're missing out. I hate to say it. I know you are, because this shit is fucking gas. Anyways, Lucky Buddha. Probably gonna taste like shit.
Arizona.
I still remember how it used to be. I still think about our younger days, how we dreamed about a better life. Holding you so close to me, in the backseat of your ride. We fell apart, thought we lost everything, just lost in our memory. And I sure hope you do remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you.
a daydream, but lost you in a nightmare. You're so dangerous. She only wants me when there's two of us, and I'm sharing her with no one else. I could hate you, but don't want to.
Money in my pocket, but it can't buy me love. Eyes so gray like she come from a Bermuda tune. Without you, I would've never seen the world like I do. Money in my pocket, but it can't buy me love. Eyes so gray like she come from a Bermuda tune. Without you, I would've never seen the world like I do.
I was a little bit lost before I looked into your eyes. You see, in life
It's good in there. Motherfucker, we've been at it for like 20 minutes and we haven't heard a thing.
keep a smile upon my face.